good day everyone. My name is Ronila Maris F. Zelda and co-member Rose Taghap. So today we will discuss about the interdisciplinary nature of consumer behavior. So what is interdisciplinary nature of consumer behavior? So it's all about behavior of consumer on how to decisions in buying a product or consume the products. So we have a different behaviors on how to people decisions or buying a product or consume the product. First is psychology. So, pag sinabi natin psychology is all about the person, behavior itself. So, depende siya sa sarili niya kung paano siya magdesisyon, bumili ng product or gumamit ng product. So, for example, yung kaibigan ko gusto nagyaya magkape, gusto niya sa Starbucks, tapos ako, sabi ko, sa tabi-tabi na lang. Ba't pa sa Starbucks? Siguro, sa yung kaibigan ko, ang perceptions of psychology niya is, kapag sa Starbucks is quality yung kape na siniserve bukod sa aesthetic. Eh, just sa, sabi ko naman, ba't dyan din naman sa ibang coffee shop is affordable pa, tsaka kayang-kaya yung presyo na pwede natin bilhin. So, hindi pa din. Sabi ng kaibigan ko, hindi pa din. Mas maganda sa Starbucks kasi nga, bukod sa sikat, mas quality talaga yung kape na siniserve. So, ito yung example ng psychology. So, psychology perceptions ng isang tao, paano siya bumili ng product or paano siyang gamitin yung product. So, next is sociology. So, pag sinabi natin sociology, nakadepende siya sa mga nakapaligid niya, sa society niya, kung paano siya magdesisyon o bumili ng product. So, for example, yung nanay mo bumili ng skincare, naging effective to sa kanya, tapos yung naging effective sa kanya yung skincare, dinimonyo ko ng nanay mo, ito bilhin mo kasi effective to, gumanda sa akin. Siyempre, ikaw na anak, yun na yung bibilin mo kasi nga effective sa nanay mo. So, doon pumapasok yung sociology na may influence ng family. So, kasi pag sinabi ng sociology is family influence. May family influence. So, nanay mo, hindi naman nyo ka bumili ng product kasi nga effective po. So, ikaw naman yun yung bibilin mo kasi effective sa nanay mo.
Good day everyone. So, I am second reporter. I will continue about this topic. Number 3 is sociopsychology. It is a study of psychological factors to understand how consumer behavior express their thoughts, feelings, and behavior. For example is social proof of marketing na kung saan sa ibang tao sumasang-ayon ng desisyon lalo na kung hindi sila sigurado. And next is cultural anthropology. Explains that marketers should know their target customer since madaming culture ang magkakaiba when it comes to buying and using the product. For example is culture symbol and meaning. Kunyari sa brand nakikita sila ng red color, it represents a passion of love sa maraming kultura na nagbabahagi sa at nakikinabang sa isang produkto. And next is economics. It is a study of production of goods and services when customers has limited resources of time, money, and efforts. And yun lamang po. Thank you.